If you are looking to calm your dog down with thunderstorms, going to the vet, taking a car ride, you're going to want to take out this doggy shusher right over here. This is exactly what it looks like right over here. So it's basically kind of like an egg shape right over here, which is great. This is a little bit of a closer look right over here. So you can see here, really easy. Comes with this charger right over here. It also has a 2-hour timer, so you can turn it off and on whenever you want. When you want to charge this, super easy to do. To turn this on, which I like right here, is you literally just twist it. So you hear it right now making a cool, calming kind of sound right over there. Really like that part a lot. And then you could just turn it off like this, which makes it super easy. This is also going to be super easy to travel with. You could literally just throw this in your bag. Don't have to worry about it at all. Really, really like this a lot. Like the fact that it also just, you could have it just sit right over here. You don't have to worry about it being like knocked over or anything like that because it has this flat bottom right over here. So if you're looking for a way to help relieve your dog anxiety a little bit when going on those car rides or just in general, thunderstorms, anything like that, definitely check this out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.